Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable iMessage on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. So for that, iMessage requires an Apple ID. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it for free. You can go ahead and simply open up your settings on your iPhone, and then at the top, you can go ahead and simply sign in into your Apple ID. If you don't see your Apple ID, you can go ahead and tap on Create Apple ID and then follow these steps. Once it is done, scroll below, then tap on Apps, insert your search for the message application, then tap onto it. Just like so, insert your scroll below, and here you will then be able to find an option that says iMessage. If it's not activated yet, go ahead and simply toggle on the switch. When you turn it on, your iPhone will verify your Apple ID. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data because it requires internet to activate. Once activated, you can go ahead and simply tap on Send and Receive, and then you can choose how people can reach you. Your phone number, your Apple ID, email. Make sure both are selected if you want to send and receive iMessage through either. After that, you need to go ahead and simply open up your message application, and when you compose a message, type the contact's number or email. If the person also has iMessage, the text bubble will appear blue. If it's green, that means the person does not have iMessage or you're seeing a regular SMS. That's it. Now you know how you can enable and use iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.